Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
Common Core, 4th grade, Operations and Algebraic Thinking. Use the 4 operations with whole numbers to solve problems. This is an engaged video created by Willoughby Eastlake Schools. If you are presently using a smartboard, please remember to save this video first onto your computer, then open it up with Smart Video Player. If you would please, have a student come up to the smartboard for the very first problem. Thank you. Problem 1. Solve the story problem and then estimate to check your answer. Vince has a savings and checking account at the local bank. He has $8,378 in the savings and $784 in the checking. How much money does he have at the local bank in all? Solve and then estimate to check. Please pick up a pen and write your answer here. Thank you. Okay, here is what we have. By adding those two numbers together, we have 9,162. If you estimate, you probably have estimate to 8,000 here if you're going to the 1,000, and if you're going to go to another 1,000, you would estimate here at 800. Add those together and you'd have about 9,000. If your answers match ours, that is superior. If you would please, have another student come up to the smartboard, and while they're doing that, if you would please pick up an eraser and erase your answers. Thank you. Problem 2. Solve the story problem, then estimate to check your answer. Owen has 3 wooden blocks. They are 112 millimeters, 357 millimeters, and 402 millimeters tall. If he stacks them on top of each other, how tall will they be? Solve and then estimate to check your answer. Please remember, are you going to estimate to the nearest 100? If you do, then you will be in the ballpark as to what the actual total is. If you would, please pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay, your answer should have been 871. If your answers are close to ours, then that truly is marvelous. If you would, please have another student come up to the smartboard for the next problem, and while they're doing that, if you would please pick up an eraser and erase your answer. We'd appreciate it. Thank you. Problem 3. Solve the story problem. Squirrels buried 526 acorns to eat during the winter. They ate only 404 of them. How many acorns did the squirrels leave buried? Please pick up a pen to solve your problem and place the answer here. Okay, our answer is 122 by simple subtraction. If your answer matches ours, that is astonishing. If you would please, pick up an eraser and erase your answer, and while you're doing that, have another student come up to the smartboard for the very last problem. Thank you. Problem 4, the last problem. Bill bought a car in 1987. He sold it in 2006. How many years did he own the car? Please figure out the difference between the two and place your answer here. If you would, please pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay, by subtraction, the answer is 19 years. If your answer matched ours, that is truly outstanding. And if you would please, pick up an eraser to erase your answer. And we would like to thank you for working with us today on the Common Core.